All right, we have a box. As you can see, it says Republic of Gaming. This is a brand new Asus Strix. So it says Asus Strix G16. It's a very nice gaming laptop, and join me on my unboxing. As yeah, we'll check this out. Um, in the box, we have a bag. A nice custom Asus bag. Yeah, this looks good. This looks very good. Okay, this is like a nice laptop bag that comes with it. We're just gonna keep this to the side, and then the second section we have the computer. Now just look at this. It even comes with custom drawing on it. So yeah, I think this is really nice. This is very nice. It says Strix here, G edition. We set this to the side. But look at this. Tell me you don't like this box. And then you can see here again. It says ROG Strix G16. It says green here, epic gray for the color that we picked. And opening this up, just look at this. Just look at this. Yeah, I know you like it. I know you like it. Not sure how to open this. Okay, it goes like this. So I'm gonna put this to the side. Check if there's any other thing. Nothing. So go, just feel this unboxing experience, right? Let's do that one more time. So you put it down, you lift the laptop up. That way you can just slide it right in, right out. Keep this to the side, and then you have another partition here that you get the manual, just normal stuff. Here you can see my Asus user manual for screen and another user manual. So we're just gonna keep this to the side as well, in an orderly manner. Here, I don't know what this is yet. I don't know if it opens either. Well, I doubt it. So I'm just gonna keep this here. Oh. Now look at this. As you can see, it has a nice space gray finish. It has some vents here. It has some engravings here, some more nice vents here. It comes with 2 USB-A on the left hand side, HDMI, full internet cable, power cable, and then 2 USB-C with 1 Thunderbolt outlet, which is a very, very nice spec. It has a lot of intelligent cooling. At the back here, you can still see it says intelligent cooling down here, which is very nice. You could tell that this would handle thermals very well. If you set this down, just open it, and yeah, just look at this. The keyboard is backlit with like chroma keys, multicolor, and then you still have like color going all the way around here. There's no way you would not enjoy your gaming experience with all of this light. One of the cool features I noticed about this laptop is it has a number pad, a hidden number pad. We'll get to that shortly. But some of the specs it has, G-Sync, it comes with an RTX 4060 and Intel Core 9. This is not the Ultra version, this is just the normal Intel Core 9, but it's still pretty cool for this kind of form factor. And I would mention that it's a very light laptop. I have a razor blade, but it's not as light as this, especially with the whole cooling, the battery. This is still just a very cool form factor. Another thing I noticed that I really like about it is the gaming keys are, would I say transparent? You could just see through them basically. So you could see the key switches inside. I think this is really cool, to be honest. This is really, really cool. Um, yeah. So I told you it has a secret number pad key. So you touch and hold here, and then you can see the number pad. Now tell me you don't like this. So yeah, this is really all there is to this laptop. I'll be putting it through its paces. Just let me know if there's anything you want me to do with it. And yeah, this will be going for a lot of gaming, video editing. So you want to have something you could use for school that is light to carry, and you still want a lot of performance, and you have the money to spend for it, because yes, this is not cheap. Yeah, this is a very good option for anybody with those kind of recommendation. So yeah, this is what the back looks like. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you be getting this? Especially in this color. Man, I love this color. I'll be checking if there's a deep skin for this. And the one thing I noticed is the Asus logo is not backlit, so it's not a deal breaker, but it's something to notice if you like the backlit keyboard, the backlit logo. Well, yeah, that'll be all on this particular model. Catch you on the next one.